forgot already. As I close the window, that means we're done. RN noise. It's just a different noise suppression method built into OBS with the newest update. I'm eyeballing CPU. It seems to be adding like 1% utilization, so that's nothing to cry about. Hey, Trash Bag, you're back. Thanks for the tier 1 sub and the first sub. One more month and you get a shiny new icon. Write it down. There's a guy on Twitter with my same name. There's a few guys on Twitter with my same name. One is the trumpet player for Real Big Fish. One is an Olympic skier. One is a really good comic book inker. And then the rest are all me. So what we're working on is an old Dell laptop. But first, I'm going to open this up and we're going to try it out. Because I might keep it because it looks like it has higher specs than this camera and was half the price. So we're going to see what happens here. This is the ELP megapixel USB camera. It's got a full megapixel in it, which is actually pretty good. Yeah, it has more than 1 megapixel. They're kind of underselling themselves. But what's cool about it, it has a way larger CMOS sensor in it, which should get us a better image quality. Not that this one's bad, but let's take a look. Nick, do it! Like, you guys were the ones telling me that you wanted me to take apart old crap on stream, so let's all do it. We'll start a gang. So, this camera's probably too high up for a dude wearing a hat. It's kind of cool. I get that hacker look, though. I can do this. Okay. So, let's pop this guy open. Cool. How much English do we think this is in? This is in... moderate English. My favorite part about anything from China right now is the scan the QR code to download the app directly onto whatever. Like, that's just apparently gonna become a thing that's really exciting for the hackers and social engineers of us who enjoy a good prank. Yeah, anyway, it's a USB video camera, so it should work out of the box. Let's see what's in the box. Mounting screws and an Allen wrench. I don't know what they think I'm going to be doing with this thing. They're ready for it, whatever it is. Got tasty, little tasty bag, one of these, little candy bag. That's cool. The camera, I like that the camera that's in this box is none of these. That's a good time. Well, it's not, yeah. None of the pictures on this box are the camera that I ordered. But it feels like it is the camera I ordered, so. This over here. Yeah, I have a USB borescope, and same thing. Hang on, let me get my chat over here where I can actually see you dudes. It's a gender-neutral term, dudes. For those concerned. Alright, cool. Hi, kids. I was just talking to Jacko about making amateur movies of me sleeping. And it used to be against Twitch terms of service, and now it is not. And that's exciting. That means we don't ever have to stop streaming. So, already a crappy aspect. Hardwired USB cord. I mean, it's... looks to be 10 feet, I'd guess. It's more than 6. But why at all? There's nothing special about it. Is this a breakaway link? Yeah, there's some kind of... Thanks, Jediday. You're the one who got me into these varifocal webcams. Anyway, yeah, what I do like about these is that varifocal cam nature. It's got aperture, wide and telephoto, the near and far adjustments here, with set screws, so you can... Oh man, and that one is set, let me tell you. I need a screw for the set screws. Screwdriver. Good thing we're taking crap apart today. Jeez. Alright. And this one is a bit wider of a... what do you call that? Field of view than this one, so hopefully that's going to work out in our favor. But we'll put them side by side and check them out. I don't know what to plug this in. That bus is maxed out. Hang on. I need an adapter. You know, every street. So if I plug anything else in that bus, this whole apartment's gonna go down. I'll max out the USB bus for the entire condo. Plug that one in there. Where's Chiggins? Chiggins will tell us how much you can plug into a bus. He's usually here. Chiggins, you in chat? Let's see what this does. Works, we will be able to see Jakku. Is that music too loud? Looks too loud. I don't have my headphones on. Is it this one? It is. There it is. There's our guy. What we got here? Upside down. Oh, that was the right way. That's kind of... I don't like that already. Let's start adjusting. Ooh. There we go. Hey. It's a coffee mug. With chat. And friends. But we gotta compare the two of them, so let's try this. It doesn't really get the ginger color clarity, so I think we know what Jakku's vote on this is. Yeah, it's kind of washed out. I don't have a lot of light on there, but pretty crisp. I don't think these are dishwasher safe. I don't think anything is. Like, why do I gotta wash it? I'm the one who used it. I'm just gonna use it again. I don't have to wash it. It's stupid. So one problem here already. This is supposed to be a 1080p camera, and it's definitely not. letting me select 1080p. So that sucks already. Although that's a problem I have in OBS a lot. Some cameras just don't let you select it as an option. This one does. Worked fine. So I'm sure it's a driver issue or some shit. But let's do side by side here. Top and bottom. And then you guys could let me know if you're a top or a bottom. Let's see. Ugh. This is that pro streamer shit right here. So we can get them both on something. Hang on. Got these. So it's gonna go this way. Stick it on here. Eh. I gotta get a picture of this because it's funny. Yeah. So let's use this box and use this box. Text, some screw bits. This is some good crap to look at, right? Wow, noticeable color difference here. Question is, which is more accurate? Top one for sure. They're also not the same distance away from what we're looking at, so let me fix that. There. That's accurate. Zoomed in now, so let's bring it back out. You can definitely tell the wider angle there. Wow. Totally different angle. Kind of neat. But, yeah. Oh, wow. We can crank that aperture wide open. But then it adjusts. What the hell is that? So it's got a manually adjustable aperture. But then... Here, watch. I'm going to adjust it, and then... There's my hand. Doing that on zone. What the fuck is the point of a manual aperture if it's still going to, like... decide what it thinks you want anyway? So that sucks. Because you can't... You have to keep hoping it figures out what you want. This is bad. Alright, I think I'm just gonna open it all the way. Well, then that paper's overexposed. So let's bring it back a little. So it's not. I guess right about there is what we want. Focus it. Although I guess the aperture on this one is blown out too, so. Man. Guys, this is hard. Don't do this. Just don't be like me. Don't be like me, Brendan. Like right there. That is the hardest. All right, so. What are we thinking here? Clearly better color on this one. This one's yellow. Bottom one is, everything's yellow. It's like somebody peed on it. Even with the aperture wide open, somebody peed on it. Let me get all yellow out of my scene here. Hang on. This is only pure like 5,000K LEDs in like here right now, and it still looks yellow. This is awful. Oh my god, it's so even when I switched it, like favors that pea yellow. So I think like we can see better clarity with the cheaper camera. Sort of. Yeah, for sure, but the color clarity is garbage. Like, look at this cup. It's a pea cup. Pea turkey. Yeah, alright. Sucks, we're getting rid of it. It's going back. Let's get in the boot. We'll make it look at me. Actually, we'll get rid of it, because it sucks. We'll take it apart, that's what we'll do. And then send it back. This one's at least 1080p. So, wow. What garbage. $75 they want for that. $75 to make everything look like you peed on it. I'll tell you what. I'll do it for $49.95. Yeah, there is a color balance setting I can use, but that's annoying. If I have, like, I can also get a $30 camera and color balance the shit out of it and try to make it work. Where does that go?